Okay, Tequila Dave here. Just another re-entry into Shackleman challenges. I've noticed so far I've been doing it with the TCH 840 rigid cuffs, which is part of the rules. I've recently got some what I thought were TCH 850s folding cuffs, but if you actually look a little bit very closer there, they're actually Hiatt UL1s. Now, what's the difference? Do you hear me say? Well, there is a slight difference actually. I thought they were exactly the same, but if you look, the folding are a little bit longer. On knee, you can see that there now, whether that makes it slightly interesting or easier to pick because your hands are I don't know, but I thought I'll do the challenges again but rather than using these, I'll give these a go instead. So challenge number one was, okay, this is another thing. Okay, I'm going to try and show this. So I'm going to do key holds towards you. It's quite difficult. If you're doing the balancing the key trick like that, normally what you do is be on your cuff and you balance it and you sort of try and get it in a hole like that. Once you got it in like that, it's not all the way in. I was finding I was wiggling it or trying to get it in that. I found a much easier way for that to work, so I'm going to try and show you that now. So keyholes towards me. Now, same thing. Balance it. Get it into the hole. If you can get it there. Now, just use your body. Go like that. It's so much easier, rather than just trying to wiggle it and I was going like that, trying to get into place, going like that. Nah, just push it against your body. Anyway, I hope this is recorded. This is this one out as well. Cheers. Oh, cheers for Pass Nick for the tunes.